Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to claim rewards in Monopoly Go. To claim rewards in Monopoly Go, first of all, make sure that you are launched open the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. And once you're inside the main game page, go ahead and look for the wins button at the bottom left corner and tap on it. You will need to complete daily quick wins for rewards including dice. Once you tap on the Wins tab, you will be able to see the available task which you need to complete. If you've completed any task, you will be able to see the rewards. Tap on Tap to Claim button, and that should help you claim rewards in Monopoly Go. Click the Collect button to collect the wins. You can also participate in ongoing tournaments or events for chances to earn rewards, including free dice. These rewards may vary depending on the event on Monopoly Go. If you want to receive treats, then you can also try logging in daily to Monopoly Go and the rewards will be automatically credited to your account. That is how you will be able to claim rewards in Monopoly Go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.